back with another video. So today is gonna be interesting. Video because today I'm back. Okay, guys, my name is Sam Kasim, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe because today I'm gonna teach you. Okay, just joking. Not me. I'm not gonna teach you guys. Okay, today we are in this little thingy here. It's called firework tutorial. So I want to see how they work and interesting things we can do it because it just came in new update, which I love. And if you guys are like, oh, what are you playing? I'm playing on PE Pocket Edition, and most of you guys know how to download it. And if you don't, in next video I'm gonna show you how to download Minecraft Pocket Edition in Android or iOS for free. So let's get started for today's video. Okay, as you know, what I am first of all. Okay, so this is welcome to 5. Oh, let me do the volume. You will learn how to craft and customize fireworks. You will also learn about many users. Get the hell out of here. Create a mat 444. Okay, a big shout for Matt44 for making this map interesting. I hope so. Okay, go here first, go here second, go here last. Go here. Wait a second, I just forgot. No. Look, I was right. So I go here first. Oh, here. This is how to make a regular firework with no effects. This can be used for ultras of fun. You can use 1 to 3 gunpowder and 1 purple to make a firework rocket. Okay, so just to show, where is it? Okay, then this is a crafting recipe for a firework rockets with effects. Place a firework star. Okay, so guys, this is another firework. Okay, return back. No, this is how to make a very basic firework star. Oh, wait a second. This is a crafting tool for a firework with effects. Place. We'll take a look at how to customize them. This is how you make a star. You will learn what effects each of these items creates later. How to make a very basic firework star. Wait a second, I gotta go to game mode. / game mode 1. Okay, let me just gunpowder. Okay, let me try. Glowstone and this red wire, I think so. I'll just find it nearby. Where are you? Can you please come out? And like really, oh. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna try. Oh no, red. Come on. You know what it's called even? Oh my days, it's so rage quitting when you try to find a thing. Just imagine that I'm searching for it now. I can see it from my eye. Okay, please show me a fire. Found it. It says I should craft like sorry. Okay, just gonna take a crafting table real quick and hope so I'll be able to craft. Okay, I crafted this. Now what should I do? Should I just throw it? Put it down? Throw it up? I don't know. Okay, you will learn what affects each of these later. Okay. Okay, go here second. This is crafting recipe for an ultra firework rocket. Okay, gunpowder and paper. I need the paper. Paper. Cause I got the gunpowder. So how is it? Okay. Put in the paper here. Put in the gunpowder gum. I don't mean that. I don't mean that. 2, 3. If I'm not wrong. What did I just did? No, it never blasted. Just went all the way up. Oh my days! It goes till the limited height. Oh, that's nice little rocket. Encounter will give you a flight resistance one. Okay, flight. Now what's in the chest? What should I do with this? Ah, okay, I think I got it. What does it just help us? It helps you to fly more further. So all the way. Nice job. Ah, okay. So I think so. It helps you to fly more further. If I jump like, you cannot understand what is. Wait a second. Let me go a lot higher. Or maybe I'm just. Sorry guys, I'm noob in fireworks. Gotta say, I'm noob in ultras. I think. Gotta say that. What does it help you with? It gotta help you with some type of boost which makes you go all the way there. Oh, that's cracking my ears. Okay, now let's just go out of here. I don't know what it is actually, so now let's go on the last one. Okay, what is this? Glowstone effect twinkle. Ah! What should I do with this? It is just like put this here, put this little thing. Oh, what should I do, man? What should I even do? I don't know. In fact, make a fade color, maybe. I don't know how to use them. Right now. Once you have crafted rockets, combine the stars with paper. And 1 to 3 gunpowder to make your own custom rockets and stars. Oh, wait a second. So where's my gun? Okay, it's here. Paper and something. It says paper and gunpowder. Oh, wait. It just made something bam. Come on, save me. This. Oh, that is so cool. Okay, it's not like normal, it's like fall twinkle. Okay, I gotta try all of these. Now this is red and I just need okay. I love this tutorial. Okay, I just need like yellow, I think. Oh, this one thing, yep. So put one in here, and done. And now do this here, gunpowder there, made it. Oh, not this, not this. Oh, not this. Never. Ah, it's my ear. I don't know. Okay, I did this little. Now what is this? What is that? Effect post. Oh my god! I need this. Feather. Whereas, okay. I really need it. What else? Blue. Okay, blue thingy. I hope so. No. I should just go all the way here. Find them. Found this over here. This one. Throw them back. Guys, I hope you're also learning something. I really hope. I think so. Just gonna make this. Put this back. Put it here. No. The gunpowder should be here. Made it. Okay, guys, I did it. So just a burst. Okay, not bad. Yeah, I always wanted a creeper. Okay. I just did something. Oh. Which color? Okay, I can take any color, so I just need a creeper head. Creeper head. Craft it. Dun. Gunpowder. I would like blue. Gunpowder here. Take this. Take your stuff back. Take the blue. Take this. Put the gunpowder. Take it, and guys, get ready. I know this has sword, but I forgot. What? Oh, maybe I did not like. Now it should do. Oh my goodness! Just look at the beauty of it. Look, you just gotta do it angle. Look, I did not do the angle, so it's not going to me. Sorry. Just look. You see that? Oof, oof. Okay, I'm not gonna make all of these, so I'm gonna star saved. And what is left? Effect trail. Gold nugget and a diamond. That's it. Gold, diamond. Last but not least, the best but not least. Ooh. Oh, okay, any color. So gold nugget in here, blue in here, gunpowder in there. Take that stuff back. Put this here. Take this gunpowder here, paper here. It doesn't matter how it is because I have no fear. Now take a color. Take some. Take this as well. No, wait a second. Nope, I got it. No, put this in here. No, put paper in here, gunpowder in here, and get ready for it. Okay, I think so. So that's I think so. This is wow. That's a star. I think so. I had done some confusion. That's great. Okay, look at this. Oh, wait, what is this? Star stave, small ball trail. Okay, so guys, it's like, look at this. Star. And look at this. Ball, small ball shape. So guys, this is gonna be it for it. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button and share, subscribe if you're new to the channel. Till that, peace out, and I hope you enjoyed this video till the end. I have a lot of fun learning new stuff with fireworks. Peace out.